Yo, what's good? And welcome to another live execution. And today's Tuesday. I'm gonna check out news. I already marked out the draws. I literally don't want to trade today, bro. I just had a chill day, bro. Like I went to the gym, watched KSI for almost 30 minutes. I was such in a low cortisol mode. And yeah, finally a live execution. I've been not doing the videos because I've been recording a lot outside YouTube for my Discord with my Discord, many lectures. But yeah, obviously the narrative is bullish. Look at this. Like easy. If you look at me, bro, look at me. Does this seem bearish to you? No. Still, I'm not gonna marry to the idea that we could long again and again over to all-time highs and all-time highs and all-time highs. Why? Because like a bullish narrative doesn't mean I'm just gonna look for longs. We're gonna have retracements before going higher. So today is a day where I'm a little bit aware of going lower because look at this. We have beautiful draws to grab lower. Do you see this? Plus, we failed to displace through this high, and we really didn't displace through this high. So price is a little bit failing to drop higher, and I see beautiful bearish movement. So bearishness is not weak this week. It's not weak this week. Do you get it? Not funny. And now we have these beautiful draws. To go higher, we have reasons too. Like we could continue higher, but the only draw we have is here, this one right there, and like this wick and that draw, and it's pretty far away. And in between, we have many FEGs. This one, and it's not as good as these draws down there. Yes, we have FEGs here too, but I believe that we could retrace into the FEGs at least with an OTE, right? And I already see that ES is not as correlated as NASDAQ because NASDAQ is building lower momentum. ES already tapped deeper into this zone, into the OTE. Look at this. Already tapped into 0.618 and was also already starting to go higher. So, do I have any idea that I'm marrying already into? No. I'm ready for both scenarios. The scenario to do this, to tap into the OTE, and then see bullish momentum to go higher, maybe. And I'm ready to disrespect the OTE, and then see shorts here into the draws. News. All right, 10 a.m. news. It's not red folder, orange folder. With my Discord, we figured out, even though it's just orange folder, sometimes it can be very, very, very dangerous to execute 5 minutes before the news come out. And it can be volatile. Well, we had that 1 week ago on a Friday, I believe, yeah. And I'm gonna take that info with me. Looking at the 1 minute on ES, yeah, as you can see, it's not as correlated. Now, does this seem to me like a perfect condition? No. The only model I can get out of here on NASDAQ is the PO3. I see chop here, and I see now price going lower, but not with speed and not with efficiency. So this is not the manipulation I would love to see. So it's a weak PO3, like at least a weak manipulation will work. All right, now I'm back. As you can see, this is how detached I am, bro. I can be gone for minutes, and I might even miss on a setup. I really don't care. So we took the draw. This is why you need to always be prepared on what we took. Is this enough manipulation lower? I don't think so. I don't think so. Let me keep up the OTE in case we start displacing even lower. Now we are reacting off of this low pretty quick. You know, it seems like a good reverse. Not reversal, but you see how we have these lows right there? Like before, we re-soup the lows by taking even another draw, and now we just react off of it. I don't want to trade there. I really don't want to trade. But if I'm going to trade, I'm going to take a beautiful setup. I'm going to hit TP. This is how my mentality is. Only A+ setups that I'm aware of. I always go through my weekly tracker. I'm gonna show you guys the weekly tracker I'm talking about. For example, here on my Discord, I go through my weekly trackers. Like everybody in my Discord posts his tracker. I go through my last week's tracker and look what made me win. Last week's journal, patience, one candle wick, OTE plus SMT. You see, I'll be reading it right now and then looking. Oh, PO3 plus patience plus rebalance plus next candle open. See, so now I'm reflecting on it, talking to myself about it. And now I'm gonna go to the chart. Well, now I see the confirmation. Okay, now I might have missed on. I didn't miss on a setup. Like there was nothing. There's no way I could have entered long with confidence. I could have pre-fired the idea that we just want to disrespect everything, go higher. But I need more confidence that shows me. So this doesn't. This seems like a good manipulation on the 15 minute. This is a beautiful confirmation that we wicked. And because of we wick, that shows us that we just opened up to make people FOMO into shorts on a higher time frame. and then now they immediately get stopped out with the same wick, same candle.
If I have 200 views, I should have 200 likes. Why do y'all act
automatically? PS is so choppy. Like, it scares me. I don't know if the SMT is delivering or if this was even manipulation. Because I want to see this can push higher. Because then it would show me ES wants to go higher. And if ES wants to go higher, NASDAQ could target this. I don't like the setup. So obviously we manipulated lower. Failed to push lower. Continue with the manipulation. ES though took now a draw, souped a draw. But we're disrespecting the SMT at the same time. You know, the SMT, we disrespect it. We're already tapped into the FEG, so I really don't care about them. And I'll have it right before the draw up here. Are we going to edge my TP again?
Order filled.
And TP, bro. Thank God, bro. See, bro, trust in my plan, bro. All right, that's a video, bro. Literally, like, I'm just trying to be transparent with you guys. It was a setup. We had clear narrative, a clear high time frame model, like a PO3 that I showed you guys. Clear targets. The only thing that made it a little bit difficult is if we had no news and ES and NASDAQ were not that correlated. Still, we took as many confluences as possible in a simple way, and I trust in my plan, in myself, and we smacked TP. Yeah, my Discord and I, we literally had a 95% win rate. We have daily calls. I'm about to have a call with them about this New York session, go through people's wins and losses, in-depth analyzing. We had payouts coming in, everything. Watch the video before that I just posted. Link in the description if you want to join. Peace out. Okay, let's see what my Discord did. JV with a beautiful TP. W's. TP, same TP. One, almost TP, bro. How, bro? I gotta call him. TP. TP. We got payouts coming in. Will. We got my student who struggled. My first one-on-one student who struggled for 2 years, no payouts. He's got his first payout. TP. Yeah, bro. I got TP too. So that's my trade, bro.